Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Facebook to your Instagram account. In case you find this video helpful, please remember to like it because it really motivates me. Let's get started without wasting much time. Click on your Facebook app, okay? Try to refresh it. Then click on your profile picture, okay? Now, under settings and privacy, click it. Then you locate settings, okay? You want to click on this place for Meta Account Center. Just click on it like this. Then you will go to sharing across profiles. Click on the arrow. Then you'll be prompted to add an account. Just click on it like that. Add an account. Then it will directly take you to Instagram, where you'll be asked to enter your login details. Okay. Now you'll enter your login details and your password and everything, and you'll be able to connect your Instagram and Facebook. So if you share, for instance, if you share a reel, it will be available on Instagram or your status. Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video. Kindly remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.